Okay, 5.4, continue. Okay. This is a classwork. You're supposed to do this in a class. So last class, we did x squared plus 7x plus 10. Who can tell me what's the answer for this one? We're doing what here? Factoring, right? So x squared is what by what? X by x, correct. Okay. What about 10? 10 can be 10 times 1 or 2 times 5. Which one would choose? I need the sum to be how much the sum? To be 7, right? So the only one that can give you 7 is what? 2 and 5, right? And the sign is going to be plus plus, okay? Now, how can I check my answer? Who can tell me? How can I check the answer? Distribution. Do the happy face, right? So you have 2x here and you have what? 5x. Does it give you 7x? Yes. Yes or no? Yes, 7x. So you already have 7x and 7x. Now, also, you need to check the last two terms. Where is the last two terms? 2 times what? 5. Does 2 times 5 give you 10? Yes. That's the question. The answer is yes. Okay. Let's do one more. Let's do this one. Y squared 21. How can you distribute y squared? Y. 21 is what by what? It can be 21 times what? 1 or 3 times 7. I need the sum to be how much? 10. So which one would choose? 7 and 3. Does it matter where I put the 7 or the 3? It doesn't matter. So what about the sign? Both of them has to be minus. What should they do now? Check the answer, right? Happy face. Negative 3y, negative 7y. Is their total give you negative 10y? Yes. Yes. Now also you need to check the last two terms. Is negative 3 times negative 7 give you positive 21? Yes. True. So your answer is correct. Is this clear? Yes. Move on. Okay. Factor by grouping. Type grouping. What's grouping means? It means how many terms? 4 terms. Do I have 4 terms here? No. So I have to divide the one in the middle here into 2 terms. This is new. Okay. So 22, I can divide it and become 21 and 1, right? 21x and 1x, or it can be 20x and 2x. It can be 19x and 3x. I don't know. It's like a puzzle. So is there any scientific way to do it? Yes. Multiply 8 times 15. 8 times 15. How much is, yalla, by calculator, 8 times 15, how much? 120. I need 2 numbers. Their product is 120 and their sum is 22. 2 numbers. Give me 2 numbers. What are the 2 numbers that their product is 120 and their sum is 22? 10 times 12. Yes, true. So I will divide this into 2 parts, 10x plus 12x. Is this clear? Clear or not clear? Okay. And I will type the remaining one. So now, how many terms I have here? 2. How many terms I have here? 2. What is common? in the first two? 2x. So what's left? What about the second two? What's common? 3. Okay, so what is left? Who can tell me what's left? 4x plus 5. What about here? 4x plus 5. Now, do we have blah, blah, blah?
No.
What's the blah, blah, blah? 4x plus 5. So you take the blah, blah, blah outside. And so the blah, blah, blah here, 4x plus 5. What's the remaining? What's the remaining? 2x plus 3. So that's your final answer. Easy as easy. Any questions? We do one more? Because here, you mean talking about this one or this one? Yeah, because you divide by what? What do you divide here by? Here you divide by what? 3, and you divide here by 3. And here you divide by what? 2x and 2x. Let's do this one more. Or this one. Which one is better? B or C? C. Okay, let's do C. So he's asking for grouping. How many terms I have here? 3 terms. I need, how many terms I need? So I have to divide this into 2 parts. No, not, and please, on the table, please. Put it on the table. Okay. Bring it here on the table, please. If you have a mobile, either you put it in the bag or you put it in the table. It's not allowed to have it in your bucket. Okay, so I have here 16 and 25. Please, can someone do on the calculator, multiply 16 times negative 25? Negative 400. That is the product. I'm looking for what's the factor of 400, and their sum is how much? 30. Give me 2 numbers. They give you 400, and their sum is positive 30. It could be one positive and the other one is negative. It doesn't matter. 100 times 4. Which one is negative? Which one is positive? Does their sum give you 30?
Yes.
The sum is not 30, so it's not good. What about if I put 10 and 40?
Yes.
Their sum is positive 30? We change the sign. Very good. Very good. See? It's by trial and by trial and error. So their sum is 30. That's correct. If you understand, raise your hand. If you do not understand, raise your hand. Okay. So I'm going to split this into 2 terms. One is called 40x, positive 40x, and the other one is negative 10x. And then I put the remaining one the same. Up to here is clear? Now I take the first 2, take the last 2. What is common in the first 2?
2.
How much? 2x. Okay. What about the second 2? What's common? 5?
Yes, 5.
Okay, what is left? That's the question. What's left here? 16 divided by 2?
8.
8. 8x. 10x divided by 2x minus 5. Here, what do you think? 8x minus 5. Do we have blah, blah, blah? What's the blah, blah, blah?
8x minus 5.
8x minus 5. And what's the remaining?
2x plus 1.
2x plus 5. Is this clear? If you understand, raise your hand. If you do not understand, raise your hand. You don't understand? Yeah, I saw it. Okay. A good student will bring worksheets and then he will copy. Knows, right? Finish? So we are done with a quick review for section 5.4. Clear? Now I'm gonna move to section 5.5.